Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Global Montessori Coaching Institute. Today we will be learning the digraph sounds of letter O. When letter O comes with its friend, another O, they will produce two sounds. One is short sound, oo, and the other is long sound, oo. Just like these two pairs. One is long sound, oo, and the other is short sound, oo. So let's sing a rhyme with me. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, ooh. So yes, short sound ooh and long sound ooh. So do you know what I have today in my hands? This is a mystery box. Let's see what we are going to find in this box. This is, what is this? This is tool, tool, long sound. These two O's will produce long sound. Ooh, ooh, tool. Interesting. What is this? Is this a short sound or long sound? K, oo, short sound. K, oo, k, cook. Very well done. And what is it? L, oo, k, look, short sound. Can you hear the sound clearly? Oo, l, oo, k, look. Very well done. Wow, is this interesting? What is this? Ooh, spoon. This will produce long sound. Ooh, ooh, spoon. And then, what is this? Is this a short sound vocabulary? Ooh, moon or moon? Good. Moon, ooh, and moon. So yes, dear students and dear learners, the digraph oo means oo and oo will produce two sounds, short sound and long sound. Thank you so much.